How loud is it okay to be if you're making a video? Like, I'm in a neighborhood. Location formerly known as a really great fucking place called Galt Middle School. If I just start yelling like fucking like when cars go by like boo, like, but like loud and clear. Why are these people pulling over? I know I was the only one who thought of this. Dude, I swear to God, like, this camera be showing shit, like, looking hella pretty, but that shit do not look the same once it goes on a big screen TV in high def. Not even the same person. Okay, this ain't like me, so why was I doing this? Oh, that's an actual 10. Oh, and a flashlight. Oh, how fucking tweaker cool. Oh, never mind. You can see that. Wait, you can see this. Now what, bitches? How's that flare flame? The fuck? Let's do an angel white light. Oh, that shit ain't bright at all. Duh. Oh, I was turning. It retracts though. I was only half right and half wrong. Perfect.